Hey y'all, so we are checking in from the Jayell Ranch here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, where we're spending a week here for spring break. So come along with me as I budget and adventure here in Gatlinburg at the Jayell Ranch.
Park, and we're gonna see some animals.
We are able to feed a kangaroo.
So they have small mouths, so just let him finish what he's chewing on, and the second he's done, you can give him that lettuce. It's just he's not us.
We got tongues, so we don't have to let them touch our hands. Apples, lettuce, and carrots. The carrots are for the tortoise, and the lettuce and apples are for the kangaroo. And we're looking for the other two kangaroos now to feed them. Here they are.
So where's everybody from?
Memphis.
Oh, nice. In Tennessee, you can just openly own a kangaroo. Ain't no issues. No, really?
I was leaving them.
Where can you purchase one at?
He like snatches it. Those are the people ATVing. That's gonna be us after a while. Birds eating the millet.
Andrea's a black-capped Andrea's a very smart bird. She knows how things go. She's really good at what she does. Andrea is a very
I opted not to do the millet because I didn't want the bird on me. This is what I don't want. Pablo. Hello, Pablo. This is Pablo. He's a eucalyptus parrot.
Him and say, stop, quit it, Alice, and keep biting him, or she's biting him. She'll be mature in 2 years, and they'll have babies. A scarlet macaw and a blue and gold macaw will make a Catalina macaw, which is like mostly the gold under his belly like that, but bright. Oh, young man, right now he's just a goofy young boy. He misses landings. He's like clumsy. When you get him to step up, he falls over. When he's walking on the ground, he falls. Yeah. He's a goofy boy. Yeah, he can do completely.
The bird room. All the birds and the bird houses, and swings and trees.
if you're done with it.
This is Abu. Abu. Hey, Abu.
So he wants somebody to stick their finger close.
Right like this. Right around about the middle. And then he'll stick his hand out like this. I'm going to step over here though.
Abu. Abu.
Train everybody after handshake.
And we're back at the stop, at our original stop.
Alright, you guys are good to go ahead and hop on.
That's the tubing slide that we're about to attempt.
That we don't attempt to die.
No, it's right.
We gotta climb up this steep hill of an incline to get to the top so we can tube back down. It's kind of like snow tubing, but without the snow. And we're just about at the top. Those are the tubes that they drive up. And we gotta climb up that and slide down. Back down to the farm. Let's see if we can do it. Y'all think we're gonna do it more than once?
Nope. One time.
One time. Y'all see that hill we had to come up back there? Woo.
That's all this is. It will not burn your eyes or mess up your clothes. It will make fake eyelashes. I'm glad. No. You can video. People make videos going down all the time. It will not hurt your phone. Guys, you don't take tips up here. I want you to keep your money and enjoy your vacation. No, it's so hard to do. Look at my arms. I can't. I have trouble eating a sandwich.
Oh, Lord, I'm
1,
scared.
2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad.
Okay. I didn't hear a lot of yelling. I didn't hear a lot of yelling and screaming, so I don't know.
No, it's okay.
We gotta go. Look, we gotta go last.
Why
they going backwards?
Review for Slide Daddy. Attach your videos.
Oh my God, no!
She said, "Ooh."
But it's not going too fast. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, I think I can do it. I think I can do it. I think I can do it.
So I'm sorry for yelling, but I got to make sure they're off the track.
So we
He
don't
said
go.
they don't listen, so I had to yell.
No, you good.
Yes, ma'am. You
No,
ready?
they don't
All right,
listen.
here we go. 1, 2, 2.5.
Oh my God, Angela's going too fast.
You know your butt tightened up on that.
I know, all the way tight.
Yeah, just 2 pilots for you.
My turn. I'm
That
nervous.
way I can get 3 people up at a time.
I don't really
You
wanna
can
go.
sit here or something.
I hope it goes slow.
All right, you guys go ahead and sit down in there. What's the matter, brother? You got this, dog.
Oh my gosh,
You gonna beat it? She going down?
I can't record. See when I get to the
You
bottom.
ready?
Daisy can't count to 4 times.
All right, this is a tube shack. Put your tubes here.
Texas 60.
Yeah.
Oh, I keep it over the phone.
Thank you. I made it back to the ground. I did it. I felt like I spent a round in a circle the entire time coming down that slide. I feel a little dizzy and jittery, but it was fun. I won't do it again. I'll show y'all what we do next. Getting ready to go on the ATVs. Gotta find our helmets. All right, I think I'm ready to go. I think I'm ready. Okay, so we get ready to get on our ATVs. We gotta do a safety speech first. This is what it looks like. They got them all lined up, and those are the UTVs right there. So you got multi people riding at once. You do the UTV. Of course, everybody wants to ride on their own, so we got ATVs.
Safe. Remember, oftentimes speed equals injuries. This is an off-road, rugged, scenic ride with a lot of switchbacks and some steep hills and inclines. We'll ride to each group's ability and have a great time, but it is not a racetrack.
I will come back on later once we get on and get started. I probably won't record a whole lot because I got to keep up with my phone, y'all. I don't know how to use my action camera. I'm going to learn, but I need to check y'all out later. I'm on the ATV. I got my shoe covers, my camera, helmet, glasses, and a mask to keep the dust out my face. And we are ready to go. I think we're gonna be riding for about 45 minutes. And again, we're at the Jayell Ranch in Gatlinburg. I think like Sevierville, Tennessee, right outside of Gatlinburg. And we're gonna be riding about 45 minutes. I'm gonna put y'all up because we're gonna do a lot of shaking around and I can't have my phone out while I'm driving. But when we stop, I'll come back on and talk to y'all and tell you what I think.
This one, that's ours. Front brake.
Yeah, okay.
Back brake.
Okay.
Throttle.
Throttle. Front brake, back brake, throttle.
Yep. Anytime you want to slow down or stop, let off that throttle, squeeze both brakes in at the same time.
Okay.
That throttle's real sensitive, just be easy on it and stay consistent with
Okay.
it. Got any questions?
No.
Alright. This one doesn't like to start in gear, so let's see if it does.
Okay.
Okay.
Made it to the top. I'm so nervous. Felt like I was gonna fall off several times, but we made it up here to the stopping point. It's a view from the top. That's the zip line platform, the mountains. So we just entered our Westgate Resort and we are in 7331 B and C. So this is side. And when you walk in, there is a bathroom here, a shower, and another toilet. I'm gonna go kind of fast. This is late. But then we have all this space here. It opens up to a full-size kitchen. That's a little closet or pantry area. We have a balcony, a place to sit. And then this is our bedroom, which walks out to the same balcony. A huge soaking jacuzzi tub. And then you have another bathroom with a rain head shower. And the toilet room. And of course we have a closet. So because we have both sides, this is the door that you come in, and we were in 31. So this is our shared washer and dryer for both sides. And this is the second side here. Another closet. I know. And it's another kitchen. Couch. And this is another bathroom, the toilet room. And what's the light? Is there a light in here? Oh, here it is. There's another little soaking tub.
And this is the room.
And then the bedroom, another king bed. Uh-oh. This door right here lets out to the patio. It's dark out there, but and then there's a closet. And if we had a side 3, a third side, that's where you would access it. Here
And
is
of course, this is the balcony.
the balcony.
Right here, you can see.
I got help, y'all.
cars
Yep,
and
there's our cars. Chairs,
Chairs, rocking chairs.
rocking chairs, table. How many doors do we have to the balcony?
We have
One door,
2 doors.
2 doors. So you can access,
Actually, 3.
yes, you can access the balcony from the living room and the bedroom on the second side. So that's a quick little tour of our resort, 2 sides here at Westgate, Gatlinburg. I'll talk to you all later.